That's it.
That don't look like a smile. You gonna smile for Daddy? Huh? You gonna smile for Daddy? We'll make this video for Grandma. How about that? How about smiling for Grandma instead of yawning? Her a sleepy baby.
Let's see to smile.
Say hey, Grandma.
Hey.
I didn't get the wave. Say hey, Grandma.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, Grandma.
Are you gonna do the same thing? Our battery is about shot.
Uh-oh. Hey, Grandma.
So we're gonna have to get as much on this video as we can. Because from the looks of things, she might be going to sleep here pretty soon. What is she thinking about?
Hey.
Alright, Grandma. I kissed the baby for you. Mommy kissed the baby for you. The baby just looks crazy for you. There she is. Can she wave bye?
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma. Oh, her sleepy. Say bye. Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.